What's up guys, it's James from Jeeping Adventurer and Offroad Elements, and today is a beautiful 92 degrees and we are going to be putting on a shade top from SpiderWebShade, completely custom. So let's get started. Alright, so we went ahead and got a completely custom SpiderWebShade that is fantastic. But previously we had a Alien sunshade, and after 2 trips off-road, it already kind of got a little grimy and I wasn't able to wash it out. So we went ahead and got something new and awesome. So we're gonna go ahead and put it on the Jeep.
Awesome.
It is awesome. Super awesome.
It's your favorite freaking word, I swear.
Awesome.
So the first thing we're gonna do is take the soft top off so we can put the shade top on the correct way and not smash our fingers with the little plastic balls, because that hurts. All right, so the first thing we gotta do is pull these little fun things out on that side and right here, and then do the same on that side over there.
Okay, I will do it on my side.
I'm not gonna go through all the steps and completely show you how to take the top off because it's a shade top, it's easy to figure out, and if you don't know how to do it, we have a video on it.
Yes, we do. Boom. Next thing you do is get your bungee balls and put them through the holes down here. So Taylor, that's you.
Thanks.
All right, so had a dumb moment. There are 3 bungees because you only have 3 loops, which means no, there is not a bungee for each of these 6 holes.
Nope.
No, there's not. So
Basically the
don't
reason
think that you don't have enough bungees.
Yeah, you definitely have enough bungees. The reason for that is there's little hoops that your hard top or soft top secures to, and there's 3 of them. So this one shade top will fit a multiple amount of Jeeps.
Yes,
Taylor doing quick work with this.
but I'm super scared to put it on.
Why, you think you're gonna hit your knuckles again?
Every single time it happens. Every time.
It's definitely a solid quality product. Cannot wait to get it on.
You ready?
Yeah.
Ooh.
You want me to put it on since I'm taller?
Yeah.
Okay.
All right.
Perfect. I'll go to the other side. So this is what I was talking about with the hoops.
Hoops?
Little hoops. Yeah, little hoops.
Those are like loops?
Loops, hoops, scoops.
Hoops? Not hoops.
So the little bungees go right here. This one, the one that Taylor just showed, or the middle one. And then this outside one is actually getting secure here.
I don't even know if I... Okay.
I will figure that out. That'll hold it the tightest. The farther up that is, the tighter this is going to be, so it doesn't flap as much.
Got it.
Okay, so we'll go ahead and start all this bungee.
Got it?
Almost. Very tight, which is good. Alright, so when you're doing this and you have like a bar for a shade top or something, just make sure you go underneath, so when that shade top comes on, it can still slide underneath here.
Soft
and clip.
top.
Soft top, sorry. What did I say?
Shade top twice.
I said shade top twice?
Yeah.
Wow, I'm a real dummy today. But yeah, so your soft top will lay on top and then roll underneath and clip here. So
Yes.
just make sure you have it underneath, not on top. Okay, for the rear one, which we already did the other side, so this side's gonna be a little difficult. You want this on this back roll bar back here, so that way it really keeps it nice and tight, like that. You just kind of work the band down and then over on the ball. Pretty easy. You see that dirt that just snapped out?
Yes, it was terrible.
That was awesome.
Wasn't gonna make a comment about it.
Well, someone hasn't been doing their cleaning responsibilities.
You better not be looking at me.
I'm the driver.
I'm not.
You're the
No.
cleaner, I'm the driver. That's how it works, right?
That's not how it works.
I swear that's how it works.
Nice try though, buddy.
I love this thing, it's so nice. It looks good. Tight fit. Really good quality.
Like your wife. Ayo.
That was pretty good.
Okay, done with the jokes.
That was a good joke. All right, so with the top one on the corner, this one,
Yes, we get the corner. Yes.
you want it as far up on the roll bar as possible to keep it super tight. So over the plastic, possibly, if you can. It's not an easy thing to do, but it's possible. Sometimes it's easier just to put it on and then slide it over the plastic. So get it on like that, and then just kind of move it as high up as you can. Ugh. It's a pain, but it's well worth it in the end. The small bungees come in, they're going to be going on those little loops, hoops, whatever you want to call them. So you'll just go right through it and then back to the shade top. You kind of have to work the bungee to get it nice and tight. And don't let go of the bungee because it'll snap you in the finger. It's not fun.
Okay. Whoa. Not even paying attention. I think you're gonna have to undo that one over there.
Yeah, I think Taylor's gonna need my muscles. There's not much of a muscle, but there's a little one. Pull, babe, pull. Let's get it.
There we go.
See all that frustration right there?
Yeah, it happens on a daily basis
I know.
with you.
She beats me.
Oh my god, give me the other bungee. Now.
See? Told you. You see that anger? Where is it? Oh. There you go.
Thank you.
You're welcome. I bet she makes me do this.
And
Whoa,
it's on!
I was wrong. I
What?
definitely just whispered, I bet she makes me do this, and you didn't.
Rude.
Yeah,
I
my
did
bad.
it.
I have faith. Okay, I'll do the last one, and then we can stand up and you get a better view of it.
Air high five.
Boom, air high five.
Alright guys, so one thing I do want to hit on is these holes right here. These are for if you have a hard top and you screw in the freedom tops, that's where the little holes are. We have soft tops, so we don't have to worry about it. If you want a custom one, just reach out to SpiderWebShade. They got this done in about
Like 2 to 3
start
weeks.
to finish, like 2 to 3 weeks.
And that was with Jeep Beach, so they
Yeah.
like nailed it.
So that was pretty awesome. If you don't want a custom one, they do have them in regular colors. You can go to their website. We'll put a link in the description so you can pick whatever color you want. That's it.
If you
So-
mention Jeeping Adventure, if you call Offroad Elements and mention Jeeping Adventure, they can get you hooked up as well. Maybe with a little discount.
Maybe. Gotta see.
Yet to be determined.
So, from me and James at Jeeping Adventure, like this video, subscribe, and keep the adventure going.